Party News to the date of 13th of November 2019 year. Responsible employees of Executive Committee of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan in Dosti District taking a number of measures to implement the party action called We Decide Together were carried out practical works in the primary organizations Gulrez and Gulafshon of Jilikul Rural Jamaat, where took part and contributed the members of the primary organization. In the party action roads in the territory of the village were flattened at a distance of 2.5 kilometers and the streets were lit with the support of residents and generous persons. Also in this process, a device was developed to fully provide the population with electricity, which was evaluated residents and they expressed their gratitude for the policy pursued by the chairman of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan, respected Emomali Rahmon. Then there was a detailed conversation between the participants and responsible party officials on internal and external political processes. There took place the 15th reporting electoral conference of Executive Committee of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan in Khovaling district. The conference was attended by representatives of the Regional Executive Committee of the party, Chairman of the Council of Veterans of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan in Khazgon region, Deputy Chairman, Chief of Staff of the Regional Executive Committee, Chairman of Khovaling district. During the conference, we analyzed and discussed the report of Executive Committee from May 2017 to October 2019, the report of the Commission of Inquiry for the specified period, the election of new composition of the District Executive Committee, the election of the new composition of the Audit Commission, the selection of deputies for the 12th Conference of the Regional Executive Committee of the party, and after the discussion, relevant decisions were taken on these issues. A reporting electoral meeting was held in the primary organization regional Amunadbong with participation of the leadership of Executive Committee of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan in Bokhtar town. The agenda of the meeting included the issues of calculating the 2.5 years of the chairman of the organization, the election of the chairman of the primary organization, and the promotion of the attorney to the 21st town conference. Then, in connection with the agenda of the meeting, it was noted that November 16 in the country is celebrated as the Day of the President of the Republic of Tajikistan. This day is a historic day for the Tajik people and Tajiks, as our President, Dia Emomali Rahmon, devoted his existence to the improvement of Tajikistan and the tranquility of Tajiks. Today, all the achievements of Tajikistan national unity, friendship and mutual understanding of the peoples of Tajikistan, prosperous roads and others have been achieved through the efforts of the leader of nation, respected Emomali Rahmon. The members of the primary organization noted that Emomali Rahmon is really the proud of Tajik people, and we members of the party are always ready to implement the recommendations and orders of the chairman of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan. There took place a political reading and a reporting electoral meeting in the primary party organization line of the road of Kulob City, which was attended and addressed by representatives of the party. The chairman of the primary organization line of the road began the meeting and noted that the close relationship of the primary organization with the party is existed since the establishment of the primary organization until today, and we will actively participate in all party events. We should increase the members of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan at the expense of active youth and women to make a significant contribution to the promotion of the state. The responsible persons of the party noted that People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan is a promotion force of society who always tries to achieve decent life of the people of dear Tajikistan. In professional lyceum of the chemical industry of Levakan town, according to the work plan of public use organization Creators of Mazaland, there was held a fruitful meeting with responsible persons of town executive committee of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan, where they discussed important issues of the day with pupils of the institution. It was noticed that such meetings under the slogan "We are supporters of the motherland" is planned to raise the spirit of teenagers, awakening in them national identity and self-consciousness, as well as pride in national and state values in all educational institutions of the town. A reporting electoral meeting in the primary organization Navruz of Panj district was conducted with participation of representatives of Executive Committee of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan. The meeting of the party was attended by the chairman of the primary local organizations of Mehvar Rural Jamaat. The chairman of the primary organization, speaking in connection with the reporting period, in continuation members re-elected the chairman of the primary organization. Also during the meeting, members of the primary organization nominated deputies to participate in the 14th party conference of the district. At the same time, the responsible persons of Executive Committee of the district expressed their views on the event of the 6th of November of current year, which was acted by one terrorist group in Rudaki district, and noted that the protection of the borders of homeland is not only the task of law enforcement agencies, but also the entire people of the country. Protection of borders of the homeland is preservation of peace and tranquility, independence and quiet life of all people. There was conducted a reporting electoral meeting with participation of responsible employees of District Executive Committee of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan in the primary organization disinfection of Mir Said Ali Hamadani district. The chairman of the primary organization, speaking about activity during the reporting period, noticed that the party events were held at a high level in 2018-2019, and the members of the organization made a significant contribution to the creative and landscaping work. Then was chosen the chairman of the primary party organization and deputy of the district conference of the party, and in turn responsible persons said about the wise policy of the nation's leader Emomali Rahman that we party members are responsible to explain society that the health of each of us is in our hands. In this case, first of all, society must have the right attitude to infectious diseases. A political reading on priority areas of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan activity was conducted in the primary organization Tropical Center of Sharituz district. At the meeting, the officials of District Executive Committee of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan spoke on priority areas of the party activity, including the prevention of infectious diseases, repayment of sons filial debt of youth service in the armed forces of the Republic of Tajikistan, preparation for the celebration of 30th anniversary of state independence, the upcoming political campaign for the elections of 2020, and called on everyone to join in patriotism, self-consciousness and self-identity. There was conducted the 12th reporting electoral conference of Executive Committee of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan in Baljuwan district. As the conference took part, representatives from the regional executive committee of the party, Shahboz Iskandar, member of the Central Executive Committee of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan, chairman of the district, Zoisoda Marifat, along with deputies. The following issues were analyzed and discussed at the conference. The report of Executive Committee was discussed from May 2017 to October 2019. The report of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan Audit Commission for the specified time, the election of a new composition of the Party Executive Committee, the election of a new composition of the Audit Commission, the election of delegates to the 12th Conference of Executive Committee of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan in Khaflon region. The conference was opened by the leadership of Executive Committee, a report on the above issues, and after the debate, appropriate decisions were taken on the following issues. The 12th People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan Conference in Baljuwan district was held at the high political and organizational level. Deputies and heads of primary active organizations that have made a significant contribution to the implementation of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan policy and cultural activities in Baljuwan district were awarded with grateful letters created by Executive Committee of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan in Khatlon Region and District Executive Committee.